Let's pause to ask ourselves a few key questions. What is GFK? GFK is an abbreviation for G-Force Kitchens. What is OSC? OSC is an abbreviation for Original 75 Cafe. Both GFK and OSC were founded by Harley James Miller, the original celebrity kid chef, in Des Moines, Iowa, July 1975. Present day, G-Force Kitchens is a ghost kitchen, heart of house, connected to a ghost restaurant, Original 75 Cafe, front of house, based in Seattle, Washington, USA. GFK is the commissary supplier to OSC Catering. Harley is the executive chef there, also a ghost. He rewrites classic recipes, prepares a complete meal with ordinary ingredients, and builds a huge platter and challenges himself to finish it before the intensity of the G-force puts him face first into the floor. GFK and OSC toured to hotspot destinations across the nation each year to cater private barbecue events. GFK is the premium no-talk cooking show on YouTube that guarantees a good body slamming each and every time since May 2020. To date, GFK has released 450 videos that yielded over 12 million views worldwide on social media. The GFK no-talk cooking show has multiple built-in features. The GFK motto is to never tell a guest no. Every episode always has an intense premiere and monster watch party, bonus content, sneak peeks and trailers. A sizzling instrumental score from some of the world's most talented musical artists, including Harley James' own one-man band Death Tone. OSC's Big Dog Bite 4-Bite Chompy Challenges. GFK's Big Platter Mukbang Challenge. GFK Mac Fest. OSC Open Chomp Night. GFK On the Fly Quick Bites 1-Minute Meal Ideas. ASP On Location. ASP Live. CZTV is a small grassroots channel, so the content is currently commercial free. CZTV is a free YouTube subscription and subscribers get premiere and watch party alerts. GFK is the ultimate home for 30-minute meal solutions. GFK is the only cooking show that hosts an Airbnb so guests can come get a taste of what they see. Just to name a few. The GFK show also provides eye-popping complimentary digital recipe cards to anyone that wants them, a superb interactive viewer experience where participants can submit ideas and challenges, and if the chef accepts it they receive cash, prizes, a GFK swag bag and more. GFK and OSC are soon to be a registered 401c nonprofit organization that brings the artistry of cooking and the culture of classic food to the masses free of charge through your generous donations. This whole shebang is solely produced by one 53-year-old man, Harley James Miller, under his digital media content creation company Action Station Productions, ASP, and is distributed through Convergence Zone TV, CZTV 333, on the YouTube network. Harley, aka Hot Jam, just graduated from YouTube Creator Academy SSP, 4-year live sound stage production, on June 6, 2024, and is here now to tell you that shit's about to get real. Is this the most exciting nationwide mobile restaurant you've ever heard of or what? Please do comment.